White House Chief Economic Advisor Gary Cohn just touting the correlation between the tax cuts and companies investing more in their workforce. J.P. Morgan, coincidentally, just announcing a pay raise to $18 an hour and 4,000 new jobs. Disney also announcing employees will be getting $1,000 bonuses. OMB Director Mick Mulvaney had this to say earlier. Take a listen.
We think that we've underpromised on the tax reform and the impacts that we can have in the economy. And we're absolutely confident that when folks start to see their checks, not only that, not only the take-home check, which we think they'll be pleased with, but when the opportunities start to come in.
Let's bring in Heather Zumarraga, Vice President of Vision 4 and a financial analyst, and Gary Kaltbaum, Kaltbaum Capital Management President of Fox News contributor. Heather, first to you. Well, today, even the IMF is saying that the reason they had to up their prescription for or their
GDP.
They said GDP is going to go up to 3.9% because of the tax cuts here in the U.S. So if even the IMF is admitting it, maybe they did undersell it a little bit.
Yes, and I mean, I just find it completely awful that the press is grilling Gary Cohn up there when you have over 200 companies that are putting in their statements that the reason for giving back to employees is because of tax cuts and deregulation. They're spelling it out for you. It doesn't have to be the IMF that's doing it. Companies are doing it. So I'm not sure where the marketing message has been lost, but it shouldn't be, because J.P. Morgan is not the first, and it certainly won't be the last.
And yet, Gary, we continue to hear the Democrats and, of course, the press corps itself underplaying the effects of the expansion of businesses because of the tax cuts, referring to them very often as crumbs, et cetera. We actually did a calculation. The increases in the minimum wage that J.P. Morgan and other companies are talking about amount to $6,000 a year for some of these minimum wage workers who are making if you're making $30,000 a year and you get a $6,000 raise, that's very important.
Oh, it's just crumbs. That doesn't help people out at all.
I'll have more crumbs.
Look, I was amazed that had that one media guy asking a question that it had nothing, basically saying that all this has nothing to do with Trump or the tax cuts. I couldn't believe it. You know, for me, the real story is not all this, because there's going to be hundreds of more companies. But 2 weeks ago, Tim Hortons Donuts, they lowered benefits for their employees because Canada decided to raise a mandate of minimum wage on them forcefully. And guess what? The opposite happened. This speaks for itself. And if I'm the Republicans, I'm yelling and screaming about this all the way to November. Watch what happens to the poll numbers.
Although I'm kind of wondering if it might not be to their advantage to underplay it a little, and then when it's much more than they even said it would be, they can really tout it big time come the November elections, or at least leading up to the elections. Guys, I'm sorry we had to truncate this segment, but we had a lot of breaking news. Heather and Gary, good to see you both. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
A crucial vote is about to be underway in the Senate that could have a big impact on the future of our markets and the economy here and abroad. We will explain after the break.